read a storybook every. Alright. Siapa yang membaca sebuah buku cerita setiap hari?
Who reads a story book every day?
Alright. Who reads a book every day? Apa yang Sam baca setiap hari? What
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 does
does
Sam
does Sam read
reads every day?
every day?
write? What does Sam read every day? Dengan siapa Sam membaca sebuah buku cerita setiap hari?
With
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 whom does Sam
read
read a
storybook every day.
storybook every day?
Alright, with whom does Sam read a storybook every day? Di mana Sam membaca sebuah buku cerita setiap hari?
Where
Where
does
does
Sam
Sam
read
read a
a
book
book,
every day?
a storybook every day?
Every day. Alright. Kapan Sam membaca sebuah buku cerita?
When
Does
does Sam
Sam
read
read
a storybook?
storybook?
Alright. When does Sam read a storybook? Kenapa sih si Sam membaca sebuah buku cerita setiap hari? Why?
Why does
Does
Sam
read
read
a
a storybook every day?
Right. Why does Sam read a storybook every day? Bagaimana Sam membaca sebuah buku cerita setiap hari?
How
How does
does
Sam read a storybook every day?
Alright. How does Sam read a storybook every day? Bukunya siapa sih yang Sam baca setiap hari?
whose
Whose
Book.
does
Sam
Sam read
reads every
every
day?
day?
Alright. Whose book does Sam read every day? Terus lagi buku yang mana yang Sam baca setiap hari?
Which
Which
book
book Sam
does Sam read a story every day?
Oke, gimana? Which book does Sam read
Reads a
every
storybook
A
day?
storybook.
every day.
Nah, storybooknya kan story-nya yang ditanyain, guys. Kayak buku yang mana? Oh, buku cerita itu loh, kayak gitu. Jadinya nggak perlu disebut story-nya lagi. Jadinya udah di depan kan ditarik. Jadinya which book, ya kan? Does Sam
Does
read
Sam read
every?
Day.
Iya, udah kayak gini aja. Which book does Sam read every day? Okay, alright. Nah, sekarang let's try to talk about the next tenses ya. Kita lanjut ke tenses yang kedua ya, teman-teman ya. Seperti biasa, ini nanti ada 5 aturan kalimat, yaitu 5 sentence rules. Oke. Yang pertama ada sedang, tidak sedang, apakah sedang, bukankah sedang, dan WH question. Coba sebutin dulu 5 aturan kalimatnya ada apa aja. 1, 2, 3, go.
sedang,
Sedang,
tidak
terus
sedang, apakah sedang, bukankah sedang, WH question.
alright, good. Nah, sekarang kita langsung bahas yang present continuous untuk kalimat positifnya dulu ya. Nah, pada dasarnya kalau present continuous itu tuh menunjukkan kegiatan atau kejadian yang sedang terjadi di masa sekarang, teman-teman ya. Jadi harus benar-benar sinkron nanti terutama ketika kita berbicara. Kalau ditulis mah yang penting sesuai dengan pattern-nya, it will be okay, it will be done. Tapi kalau diucapkan itu harus benar-benar sinkron. Kayak yang kita lakuin sama yang diucapkan seperti itu. Nanti ada 2 jenis ya. Jadi kalau secara grammaticalnya mah yang penting dia sesuai dengan pattern-nya udah aman karena tidak bisa dibuktikan ibaratnya kayak gitu ya. Nah, tapi kalau di speaking itu harus benar-benar sesuai. Contohnya kayak gini. Kita kan sekarang lagi belajar ya guys ya. Terus kalau semisal Miss ngomong kayak gini guys, wait, I'm eating right now. Is it alright? Apakah is it right? Apakah ini benar? Ketika Miss bilang, aku lagi makan nih, kayak gitu. Benar nggak? I
No.
am eating. No. Alright, good. Jadi ketika Miss bilang, sekarang Miss nggak lagi makan guys soalnya, ya kan? Jadi kalau di speakingnya, dia kurang benar karena tidak sesuai dengan reality yang ada atau fakta atau kenyataan yang ada gitu loh. Oke. Tapi kalau
Okay.
semisal dari structure-nya itu benar-benar aja. Semisal Miss nulis ya kan, I am eating, ya kan, right now. Ini oke-oke aja karena dia sesuai, ya kan, dengan pattern-nya. Seperti itu. Jadi kalau ada yang nanya kayak gini ditanya, contoh, kamu lagi ngapain? Aku lagi tidur. Bener nggak itu? Harusnya. What are you doing? I'm sleeping. Is it right?
No.
Iya, no. Kan normalnya orang tidur mah nggak bisa jawab ya. Kalau dia kalau dia tidur terus jawab, aku lagi tidur. Ya, yang ngibul, ya kan maksudnya itu nggak cocok banget. Kecuali kalau ada contoh nih guys ya, ada A, B, C gitu ya. Kita tanya ke A nih, B, si lagi ngapain? Contohnya kayak gitu ya. Terus si B ngomong, ehm, si lagi tidur. Nah, itu baru make sense. Kayak oke bisa tuh. Karena emang B itu lihat Sisi lagi tidur kayak gitu. So she is sleeping for example. Itu oke kayak gitu ya temennya. Jadi harus benar-benar disesuaikan like that. Terus just for your information, kalau continuous itu pakai verb apa ya temennya? Verb one, two, three, or ing? What's that? It's verb ing or verb ing ya. Jadi bebas. Miss, aku kebiasaannya ngomongnya verb ing. Boleh nggak sih? Ya boleh. Miss sebut ing kan biar beda aja gitu. Biar sambil belajar spellingnya ya. Ing itu ini I, N, sama G. Kayak gitu kan. Ing. Atau mau pakai verb ing tetap juga nggak apa-apa ya. Dan nanti verb ing atau verb ing ini tidak bisa berdiri sendiri guys. Dia selalu ada be. Be-nya nanti ada banyak kan, ada is, am, are, was, were, been, being. Tapi kalau di present itu nanti khusus. Kita akan membahas tentang am, are, sama is ya. Seperti itu, oke? Coba. Sekarang kalau ada kalimat kayak gini. Coba diterjemah dulu ya. Kata seperti ini. Aku sedang. Berarti kalau aku sedang, what's that? I
I am.
am. Kamu sedang, what's that?
You
You
are.
are.
Mereka sedang.
They
They are.
They are. Kita sedang.
We
We
are.
are.
Alright. Dia perempuan sedang.
She.
She is.
Oke. Dia laki-laki sedang.
He is.
He is. Kata ganti benda sedang.
It is.
It is. Oke. Coba. Kalau kayak gini. Saudara laki-lakiku sedang. Berarti my
My
brother.
brother
Is.
is.
Oke. Ayahku sedang.
My
My
father is.
father is.
Oke, my father is or my dad is. Ya kan, boleh ya. Terus kalau ibuku sedang. Berarti,
My
My
mom
mom
is.
alright, my mother is, my mom is. Kalau kayak gini, teman-temanku sedang. Berarti,
My friends
Are.
are.
good. My friends are. Ingat ya, kalau dia jamak, kita pakainya are, oke? Alright. Dan ya, terus lagi kalau semisal kayak gini teman-teman, saya sedang langsung ya, saya sedang bekerja dari rumah sekarang. 1, 2, 3 go. Berarti
I
I'm
am
working
working
from home now.
from home now. Home now.
right. I am working from home now. Coba yang singkat dulu ya. Aku sedang makan. 1, 2, 3 go. I am.
I'm eating.
Alright. Mereka sedang menulis.
They are writing.
Alright. They are writing. Dia perempuan sedang memasak.
She
She
is
is
cook.
cooking.
She is cooking. Kita sedang belajar.
We are studying.
studies.
Oke. Dia laki-laki sedang tidur.
He
He
is
is
sleeping.
He is sleeping. Mereka sedang bekerja.
They
They
are working.
Alright. Kami sedang belajar bahasa Inggris saat ini. We are
studying
English right now.
English right now.
right. We are studying English right now. Ayahku sedang tidur di depan TV sekarang.
My father
My father
is
is
sleeping
sleeping
in
in
front of
front of TV now.
My father is sleeping in front of television now or in front of TV now. Lisa sedang membersihkan kamar tidurnya.
Lisa is
cleaning her
cleaning
bedroom now.
in
Her
her
bedroom now.
Right, Lisa is in her bedroom or her bedroom now kalau ada sekarangnya ya. Oke, alright, is it clear? Apakah sudah jelas teman-teman dari sini?
Clear, Miss.
Alright, alhamdulillah. Ini suaranya tuh asli menggema gitu ya, double gitu ya, atau gimana? Kayak ada double gitu ya guys suaranya ya. Tapi jadi kayak banyakan gitu loh yang jawab. It's okay guys, jadi kalau ngejawab bareng-bareng gini, nanti di unmute aja. Ya, teman-teman boleh unmute, silahkan. Oke? Nah, sekarang
Rumahku
kita...
tuh sulit banget loh. Dari
Poin.
kemarin hujan soalnya.
Oke, hujan? Oke. Oke, yuk. Kita lanjut ya, teman-teman. Untuk yang kedua, poin kedua yaitu tidak sedang. Oke. Tidak sedang ini tinggal ditambahin apa, guys? Berarti.
Not.
Kalau
Not.
iya,
Hmm.
not. Nanti semuanya bisa disingkat kecuali yang I am, teman-teman ya. I am not, nanti nyingkatnya bisa tapi ke depan aja. Jadinya am not. Kayak gini ya. Tapi kalau are not disingkat jadi apa?
Aren't.
Aren't. Nah, alright. Aren't. Kalau is not disingkat menjadi
Isn't.
isn't. Oke, alright. Yuk, coba kalau aku tidak sedang berarti I am.
I am
Alright.
not.
Aku tidak sedang. I am
Not.
not.
I'm not.
Iya, kamu tidak sedang. Berarti you.
You're not.
aren't. Oke, you aren't or you are not. Lanjut, mereka tidak sedang. Berarti
They aren't.
alright, they aren't. Kalau dia perempuan tidak sedang.
He is.
He
Isn't.
Alright, she isn't. Dia laki-laki tidak sedang. He
isn't.
Oke, he isn't. Kita tidak sedang.
We aren't.
We aren't.
Alright, we aren't. Oke, kata ganti benda tidak sedang.
It's not.
It's not.
It
It's not.
Boleh, it's not or it isn't boleh. Aku tidak sedang makan. Berarti gimana guys? I'm not
Eating.
Not
Oke,
eating.
I'm not eating. Langsung nih verb ing. I'm not eating, oke? Oke, kamu tidak sedang bekerja. Berarti you are not.
working.
Oke, you are not working. Mereka tidak sedang tidur.
You are not
They
sleeping.
are
are not sleeping. Alright, they are not sleeping.
Sleeping.
Kita tidak sedang menyanyi.
We
We
are.
are not
Not
We are not singing.
Ya, we are not singing. Dia perempuan tidak sedang menonton.
He is not.
Not watching.
Watching. Oke, she's not watching. She isn't watching boleh. Oke, dia perempuan, dia laki-laki tidak minum, tidak sedang minum.
He is
Not
drinking.
drinking.
Oke, he is not drinking. Saya tidak sedang bekerja dari rumah sekarang. So,
I'm not working.
Working
from
from
now.
alright, I'm not working from home now. Kami tidak sedang belajar bahasa Inggris saat ini.
We aren't.
We are studying English right now.
Alright, we aren't studying English right now. Ayahku tidak sedang tidur di depan TV sekarang.
My father is not sleeping in front of TV now.
Alright, my father isn't sleeping in front of TV now. Lisa tidak sedang membersihkan kamar tidurnya sekarang.
Lisa is not in her bedroom now.
Alright, Lisa isn't cleaning her bedroom now. Okay, is it clear guys? Sudah jelas. Oke, clear. Ini gampang kok ya, tinggal ditambahin not aja. Kan tidak ada yang berubah ya. Lebih gampang ini kan daripada simple present kemarin. Kalau simple present kan ada yang berubah-ubah gitu ya. Kalau ini nggak ada yang berubah, jadi enak. Nah, sekarang yang ketiga, poin ketiga itu ada apakah sedang. Kalau apakah sedang itu ISMR-nya tinggal ditarik ke depan aja. Oke? Oke, seperti itu. Contohnya, apakah aku sedang berarti am
MI.
I,
I good. Apakah kamu sedang?
are you,
Oke, apakah mereka sedang?
are
Are
they,
they?
Oke, apakah dia perempuan sedang?
are she,
Isi ya kan? Aduh, Miss, aku tidak fokus ya kan jadinya are we, are she nanti jadinya. Is she, oke? Alright, kalau apakah kita sedang?
Are we?
Apakah dia perempuan? Sorry, apakah dia laki-laki sedang?
Is he?
Oke, apakah kata ganti benda sedang?
is
it?
Oke, apakah kamu sedang bekerja dari rumah sekarang? Are
Are
you?
Are you working from home now?
Alright, are you working from home now? Apakah kami sedang belajar bahasa Inggris saat ini?
Are we
studying
studying right now?
Alright, are we studying English right now? Apakah ayahmu sedang tidur di depan TV sekarang?
Are you father?
Is
Is
your
your
father
father
sleeping
sleeping
on
in front of TV now?
Right. Is your father sleeping in front of TV now? Is your father boleh? Is your dad boleh ya? Apakah Lisha sedang membersihkan kamar tidurnya sekarang?
Is Lisa cleaning her bedroom now?
in her bedroom?
Alright. Is Lisha cleaning her bedroom now? Okay. Is it clear, teman-teman?
Clear.
Clear ya? Oh, aman ya? Oke, sekarang kalau bukankah sedang nih. Kalau bukankah sedang nanti disingkat ya, kecuali yang MI, not. Kalau am not itu nggak bisa disingkat jadinya am I not. Oke, lainnya nanti disingkat aja guys. Kalau are not jadinya aren't. Oke, seperti itu. Kalau is not jadinya isn't. Oke, coba ya. Bukankah aku sedang? 1, 2, 3, go.
Why not?
Why not?
Oke, bukankah kamu sedang?
Aren't you?
Aren't you? Oke, bukankah mereka sedang?
Aren't they?
Oke, bukankah kita sedang?
Aren't we?
Oke, and then bukankah dia perempuan sedang?
Isn't she?
Alright, bukankah dia laki-laki sedang?
Isn't he?
Oke, bukankah kata ganti benda sedang?
Isn't it?
Alright, bukankah kamu sedang bekerja dari rumah sekarang? Berarti
Aren't you
Working
from home now?
now?
alright, aren't you working from home now? Bukankah kami sedang belajar bahasa Inggris saat ini?
Aren't we
Studying
English right now?
Alright, aren't we studying English right now? Bukankah ayahmu sedang tidur di depan TV sekarang?
Isn't
Isn't your
Father
sleeping
sleeping in front of TV now?
now?
Alright, isn't your father sleeping in front of TV now? Bukankah Lisha sedang membersihkan kamar tidurnya sekarang?
Isn't Lisa cleaning her bedroom now?
Alright, isn't Lisha cleaning her bedroom now? Is it clear?
Clear.
Clear, alright. Terus sekarang lanjut ke present continuous-nya. Present continuous. Ke WH question, guys. Oke. Nah, untuk WH question ini masih sama ya. Kalau nanyain subjek, nanti ditunggalkan aja. Oke. Nah, kalau ditunggalkan itu pakai is atau are atau am berarti, teman-teman. Yang untuk yang tunggal, subjek tunggal berarti. Is. Oke, karena kalau are ini kan untuk jamak, am buat aku seorang ya. Oke, contohnya langsung aja. Siapa yang sedang bekerja dari rumah sekarang? Berarti who is
working from now?
Alright. Working from home now. Siapa sih yang sedang makan? 1, 2, 3, go. Who is?
Who
Is eating?
Who is eating? Siapa sih yang sedang belajar bahasa Inggris sekarang? Berarti who is
Studying English now?
English
now? Alright, who is studying English now? Terus lagi, siapa yang sedang menyanyi? Berarti
Who is
Who
singing?
singing now?
Yeah, who is singing? That's it. Okay. Nah, sekarang kalau menanyakan selain subjek, sorry guys. Yaitu kalau nanyain di sini ya ada what, where, when, why, whose, which, whom, sama how. Itu nanti semuanya akan bertemu dengan auxiliary dulu. Ada is/am/are, baru subjek, barulah verb ing. Oke. Contoh, apa yang sedang mereka pelajari sekarang? Berarti
What
what are
they
Studying now.
now?
right? What are they studying right now? Atau what are they studying now? Di mana mereka sedang belajar bahasa Inggris sekarang? Berarti where
Are they
they studying English
English
now?
alright, where are they studying English now? Terus lagi kalau kapan ini nggak perlu dipakai ya, karena pasti sekarang gitu guys ya. Agak aneh sih kalau ditanyain. Tapi kalau kita mau tahu susunannya aja tuh boleh banget. Jadi contohnya kapan contohnya kapan mereka sedang belajar bahasa Inggris. Kalau disusun gimana? Kalau disusun aja, jadinya gimana? When
When
are
they
they
studying
English?
English. Udah, when are they studying English? Oh, sekarang kayak gitu ya. Tapi ada yang mengatakan, aneh sih Miss, kalau ini kan sekarang, jadi kenapa ditanyain? Kayak gitu juga ada. Jadi, kalau dalam komunikasinya emang kurang cocok ya kalau dipaksakan digunakan, kayak gitu. Tapi secara gramatikalnya, kalau mau tahu susunannya seperti itu tadi ya, sama, oke? Lanjut ke Kenapa kenapa mereka sedang belajar bahasa Inggris sekarang? Berarti why?
Why
are
are
they
Studying
studying
English.
English now?
Oke, why are they studying English now? Nah, ini kalau English tetap nggak bisa ya, jadi Miss ganti, coba disesuaikan aja. Pensilnya siapa yang sedang kamu gunakan sekarang? Berarti whose pencil
Pencil
are you? Yang sedang
are
you
you
use now?
using?
now?
Nah, whose pencil are you using now? Terus lagi, mobil yang mana yang sedang kamu cuci sekarang? Berarti
Whose car is
Which
whose
car
car?
are you
Which car?
yang mana ya?
Are you?
Jadi kalau mobil yang mana, pakainya which ya. So it's gonna be which car are you
Washing now?
which car are you washing now? Dengan siapa dengan siapa mereka sedang belajar bahasa Inggris? With whom?
Are they
they study English
now?
Right.
now?
With whom are they studying English now? Terus lagi bagaimana mereka sedang belajar bahasa Inggris sekarang? How?
How are they
studying English now?
Right. How are they studying English now? Okay. Alright. Nah, sekarang teman-teman, Miss kasih waktu buat ngerjain halaman 8 ya. Oke. Silakan dikerjakan untuk nomor 1 sampai nomor 5 ya. Oke. Oke? Miss kasih waktu sebentar. Miss kasih waktu berapa menit? 9 menit. Jangan kebanyakan kalau 9 menit mah ya. Ini gampang kok. 6 menit ya. 6 menit. Oke. So 6 minutes from now. Oke. Silahkan dikerjakan dulu. Right now. Okay. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Start. Wait, guys. Okay. Are you done, guys? Sudah
Sudah,
ya?
Miss. Aku
Oke.
sudah.
Oke. Okay. Paul is trying to solve this problem right now. Oke, berarti gimana negatifnya?
Paul is not trying to solve this problem right now.
Okay. Paul is trying to solve this problem right now. Kalau interrogatifnya berarti gimana?
Is
Apa?
Paul trying to solve his problem right now?
Alright, is Paul trying to solve this problem right now? Jadi isnya tinggal ditarik ke depan aja ya guys ya. Oke, alright. Jadi is Paul trying. Kalau bukankah berarti gimana? Bukankah? Isn't
Paul trying to solve his problem right now?
Solve his problem right now.
Alright, isn't Paul trying to solve his problem right now? Oke, alright. Dan ya, that's right. Terus lagi yang kedua nih, teman-teman. Aren't some students studying English in the class now? Kalau negatifnya berarti gimana?
Some
Students
are not
studying English
in the class now.
Alright. Some students aren't studying English in the class now. Kalau apakah berarti? Are
some students studying English in the class now?
No.
Right. Are some students studying English in the class now? Kalau positifnya berarti gimana positifnya?
Some students are studying English in the class now.
No.
Okay. Some students are studying English in the class now. Okay, alright. Terus kalau yang ketiga nih, the government is not thinking about our society at present. Positifnya berarti gimana?
The government is thinking about our society at present.
Okay, the government is thinking about our society at present. Kalau apakah berarti gimana?
Is the government thinking about our society at present?
Alright. Is the government thinking about our society at present? Kalau bukankah berarti gimana?
Isn't
The government
thinking
about our
society at present?
Alright. Isn't the government thinking about our society at present? Alright. Terus lanjut lagi ke nomor 4. Firza is singing all Dewa 19 songs. Berarti negatifnya?
Not singing all Dewa 19 songs.
Alright. Firza isn't singing all Dewa 19 songs. Apakah berarti?
Is Firza.
singing all Dewa 19 songs.
Alright. Is Firza singing all Dewa 19 songs? So, bukankah? Berarti gimana kalau bukankah?
Isn't Firza singing all Dewa 19 songs?
Alright. Isn't Firza singing all Dewa 19 songs? Okay, number 5. Darwin Nunes is playing football in Anfield now. Negatifnya berarti gimana?
Darwin Nunes is not playing football in Anfield now.
Good. So, Darwin Nunes isn't playing football in Anfield now. Kalau interrogatifnya apakah berarti? Is
Darwin
playing
football
in Anfield now?
Alright, so is Darwin Nunes playing football in Anfield now? Oke, kalau bukankah berarti?
Isn't Darwin playing football in Anfield now?
Alright, isn't Darwin Nunes playing football in Anfield now? Oke, alright. Bentar guys. Sudah ya? Oke. Kalau sudah ini sekalian halaman 8 masih halaman sama ya, 8. Silakan dikerjakan untuk nomor 1 sampai nomor 5 ya. 1 sampai 5. 5 menit lagi ya, teman ya. 5 minutes. 7 minutes. Ini agak panjang nih, jadi 7 menit. Saya kasih waktu 7 menit ya. Nanti di jam berapa berarti? 7:55, let's try to talk about the right answer. Okay, let's try to discuss together. Okay, start from now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Yeah,
10 minutes.
Okay, let's try to discuss about it. Shanice, so what's that?
He's talking about you.
Bruno is talking about you.
Yeah, alright, Shania. Ya kan?
Shania is talking about you.
Alright, about you. Next, lanjut lagi. Apakah ayahmu sedang bekerja sekarang?
Is your father working
Is
now?
your
Father
father
working
working right now?
Alright, is your father working now? Ini boleh now, boleh right now ya, bebas. Bisa pakai your father, bisa pakai your dad, oke? Aku tidak sedang memikirkan tentangnya. Berarti gimana tuh?
I'm
I'm
not
not
thinking
thinking about you here.
I'm not thinking, ya kan? About him or her ya, bebas. Karena di sini nggak ada keterangannya ya, jadi bisa cewek, bisa cowok. Mereka sedang mencari cara untuk menyelesaikan masalah. Berarti gimana tuh guys?
Are looking for
Yeah.
solution
solution for problem solving.
Okay, they are looking for the solution, okay, to solve the problem. Atau cara itu juga bisa pakai way, ya. Jadi bisa pakai solution, the solution, atau the way. To solve, ya. To solve the problem. To solve the problem. Bukankah kita sedang berdiskusi sekarang? Berarti
Are
we
we discussing
discussing
now?
aren't we discussing now? Ya kan? Dan ya. Oke. Oh iya teman, coba deh. Tadi kan kita belum bikin contoh ya. Coba. Sekarang I please you to make the example. Coba satu orang boleh. Satu orang atau dua orang. Satu orang dulu deh. Siapa yang mau nyoba nih? Bikin kalimat positif, negatif, interrogative. Negatif, interrogative. Yuk, coba dulu. Raise your hand. Satu deh, satu orang. Nanti selebihnya besok. Sebelum kita lanjut ke tensi selanjutnya ya. Coba, oke Bilkis. I please you, Bilkis. 1, 2, 3, go. Mana Bilkis?
Halo.
Halo. Yuk, Bilkis. Positifnya dulu, Kis. Bebas.
Positifnya, you are sleeping at my room. Boleh?
Oke, bisa. You're sleeping. Atau gini aja, jangan pakai you, pakai she. Ya, Bilkis ya. She is sleeping. Gitu aja, yuk. She is sleeping in my room.
She is sleeping in my room.
Now, okay. Tidak sedang Bilqis. Once we go. She
She
is.
is not sleeping in my room.
Okay. Kalau apakah sedang?
Is she sleeping in my room?
Alright. Bukankah sedang?
Isn't she sleeping at my room?
Okay. Terus lagi siapa yang sedang tidur di kamarku? Who is?
Who is sleeping at my room? Boleh pakai at atau
Kalau di dalam kamar mending pakai in. Ya. Di kamar kan? Pakai in aja ya. Oke, alright. So, dengan siapa? Coba yuk, dengan siapa? With whom?
with whom she is sleeping in my room?
Nah, kalau ini with whom she is sleeping or is she sleeping?
Is she sleeping?
With whom? Is-nya dulu ya. With whom is she? Nah,
With whom is she sleeping in my room?
alright. Terus lagi di mana? Where?
Where is she sleeping?
Ya. Terus lagi kenapa?
Why
Why?
is she sleeping in my room?
Alright, thank you Bilkis. Terima kasih. Oke. Oke guys, yuk sekarang ada yang ditanyakan nggak? Do you have any question? As long as now. Ada yang ditanyakan? Yang mau tanya boleh tanya dulu. Gimana? Untuk yang lain siapin ya. Besok sebelum kita lanjut ke sudah, ya kan? Ke tenses yang ketiga, nanti Miss kasih waktu buat bikin contoh dulu beberapa orang ya. Seperti itu. Yuk, gimana
Nih,
teman-teman?
kalau
Ya?
here itu untuk hear him. Kalau here itu untuk perempuan ya?
Ya, benar. Her
Him
itu untuk
laki-laki.
perempuan. Ini objeknya sama.
Ya, objek. Oh.
Seperti itu aja. Sudah.
Lupa
Oke.
ya.
Sudah dulu ya. Oke. Insya Allah kita lanjutin besok teman-teman ya. Besok kita masuk lagi jam 7 seperti biasa ya. Oke, alright?
Okay, Miss.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for joining this program. Okay, let's close our study in Barisan Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So, the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you guys.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, Miss.
Okay, see you.
Thank you.
Okay.